Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 1, we covered creating the perfect vegan patty and getting that savory, meaty texture. Now in part 2, we'll explore the best toppings, sauces and strategies for enjoying vegan burgers when eating out. For that savory punch, you need umami. You can find this in everyday pantry items. Nutritional yeast, liquid aminos, and even tomato paste can transform a bland patty into a flavor bomb. If you want a smoky off-the-grill taste, a drop of liquid smoke goes a long way. Just be careful not to overdo it. Small additions like these ensure your burger doesn't just taste like a garden salad on a bun. How to build the ultimate vegan burger at home. Building a masterpiece requires more than just a good patty. It's about the harmony of all the components. First, you must consider the bun. A standard white bun is fine, but a toasted ciabatta or a vegan brioche, made with oil or coconut milk, adds a touch of luxury. Toasting the bun is a non-negotiable step. It creates a barrier so the sauces don't turn the bread into a soggy mess. When it's time to cook, heat management is everything. You want a medium-high heat to get a nice crust. If the pan is too cold, the burger will steam rather than sear. If you're using a store-bought bleeding burger, try not to move it too much. Let it sit for 3 or 4 minutes to develop a dark, caramelized exterior. This crust provides a contrast to the soft interior, which is essential for a satisfying mouthfeel. Prep the base, roast your vegetables or hydrate your plant protein. Mix in fats, incorporate cold coconut oil or vegan butter for moisture. Season heavily, use more salt and pepper than you think you need. Chill the patties, put them in the fridge for 30 minutes to help them stay together. Sear deeply, use a cast iron skillet for the best temperature control. While the burger cooks, prep your assembly station. It's best to keep the heavier sauces on the bottom bun. This keeps the patty in place while you eat. If you use vegan cheese, add it during the last minute of cooking. Cover the pan with a lid for 30 seconds to trap the steam. This simple trick is the only way to get that perfect, gooey melt from plant-based cheeses. Top toppings and sauces that elevate your meal. Classic lettuce and tomato are fine, but why stop there? You can take your meal to the next level with bright, acidic toppings. Pickled red onions add a pop of color and a sharp tang that cuts through the fatty patty. Smashed avocado adds creaminess without the need for heavy dairy. If you like heat, mix some sriracha into vegan mayo for a spicy spread. Finding cheese that melts can be a challenge. Look for brands that use potato starch or coconut oil as their base. These typically behave the most like traditional cheddar or provolone. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a grilled pineapple ring or sautéed jalapenos. These bold flavors make the meal feel like an event rather than a Tuesday night dinner. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.